This is a film informed by research conducted at the Thomas Kuhn Research Unit at UCL. And one of the things we think about is about diversity of families and all the different types of family forms there are, and the perspectives of parents and children in different family forms. And this film is about one way in which a person can start a family, which is through the use of assisted reproduction. So what is assisted reproduction? This is when someone who wants to become a parent receives help to conceive or carry a pregnancy. The most common type of assisted reproduction is in vitro fertilization, IVF. This is when eggs are retrieved from a person's ovaries. This is the egg retrieval. And then are fertilized with sperm outside of the body to create embryos, and then 1 or 2 embryos inserted into the womb to grow and develop. This is called an embryo transfer. Before this procedure, often the ovaries are stimulated through the use of drugs. This causes ovulation and increases the number of eggs released. Assisted reproduction can involve using donated gametes or a surrogate. Someone might donate either their eggs or their sperm to help someone else conceive. This might be a couple or a single person. This is sometimes called third-party reproduction, and people in many different types of families might use this option to start their family. The number of IVF treatment cycles using donor eggs or sperm is increasing each year in the UK. People of different genders, sexual orientations, and relationship statuses might need some assistance conceiving. Sometimes someone wanting to have a baby might need someone to carry the pregnancy, a gestational carrier, also known as a surrogate. They carry the pregnancy for an intended parent or parents. In the UK, this process is often facilitated by a clinic. Potential donors and intended parents receive important information about this process and the different regulations about the process too.
Fertility clinics are licensed and inspected by an independent regulator in the UK called the Human Fertilisation and Embryology Authority. They are responsible for making sure that the clinics follow their regulations and meet certain standards, and that everyone involved receives guidance and support.
One thing we're particularly interested in examining through our research are the experiences and perspectives of people who are donor conceived or born through a surrogate. And we're interested in finding out more about their identity and all the different parts of their lives that give them a sense of who they are and what is important to them.
Each year, more research is being conducted around the world exploring what it is like for parents who use assisted reproduction to start their family, their reasons for doing so, and their family experiences. This helps us gain a better understanding of what it is like for the parents and, importantly, the perspectives of children in these families too.